Very good morning, eighth students. Our running topic is area plane fields. So from that, today also I am going to explain some important questions. Listen to. In adjacent figure, A, B, C, D are centers of equal circles which touch externally each other. And ABCD is a square. Here, four circles are there. They are touching. So, by joining the centers of the circles, here one square form. What is the side of the square is 7 centimeters. Now you have to find the area of the shaded region. A square. Find the area of the. So you have to find the area of this one. First of all, here A, B, C, D is a square with the side 7 centimeters. So side of the square is 7 centimeters. Then after, see here, radius of the circle is nothing but half of the side of the square. Here, this is a radius and this is also a radius. It is nothing but half of the side of the square. Same radius of given circles. Radius of given circles is equal to side of square by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Okay. Then after, so here to the centers, here I am taking these pointers P, Q, R and S. I am taking the touching points as P, Q, R, S. Here A, P, S is a sector with angle 90 degrees. So how many angle 90 degrees? Why? Because in a square each and every angle is equal to 90 degrees. So here APS is a sector. Similarly, PBQ is also a sector. Why? Because this is between two radius and an arc. So here PBQ is a sector with angle 90 degrees. Similarly, RCS is also a sector with angle 90 degrees. Here QDR is also a sector with angle 90 degrees. So by joining the centers of the circles, here four sectors are common. ABCD is a square and APS is a sector. CSR is also a sector. DRQ is also a sector. BPQ is also a sector with angle 90 degrees. And the areas of these four sectors same. Why? Because radius of this sector, radius of this circle and radius of this circle, radius of this circle, radius of this one, all are equal. Here radius not changing. So area of this all four sectors are same. So here what we can write here? Sectors. Total four sectors are common. First, what is the name of the first one? APS. One sector APS. Second one PBQ. Third one QDR. Then fourth one RCS. So by joining the centers of the circle, here four sectors are found. To find the area of the shaded region, you have to subtract area of 4 sectors from area square. To find the area of the shaded region, you have to subtract area of these 4 sectors from area square. So from the diagram, what we can write here? Area of APS sector is equal area of PBQ sector is equal area of QDR sector is equal area of RCS. All are equal. Here, what is the angle of the sector? Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Angle of the sector theta is equal to 90 degrees. And what is the radius? Already I told. Radius of the circle is nothing but half of the side of the square. So R is equal to 7 by 2. Now here I know the angle of sector and also radius of sector. What is the formula to find area of sector? Area of sector APS is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta means 90 degrees by 360 into pi means 22 by 7 into r square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Any cancellations here? Here, see here. 0 and 0 cancel. 9 ones are 9 fours are. 2 ones are 2 11s are. Still any calculations? No. 11 into 7 by 8 is equal to 77 by 8. So area of that sector is equal to 77 by 8 centimeter square. Area of shaded region is equal area of square minus 4 into area of sector APS. So why I took here 4 into area of 4 sectors are equal. What is the side of the square? 7. So it is 7 into 7 minus 4 into 77 by 8. Area of the sector is nothing but 77 by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Next. 2 threes are 6. 1 remaining. 2 eights are. 2 fives are. Is equal 49 minus 38.5. 49 minus 38.5. So what is the answer finally? Area of the shaded region is equal to 10.5 centimeters square. So from the following figure, find the area of the shaded region. To find the area of the shaded region from the total quarter, you have to remove the area of this semicircle and also this semicircle. See here, clearly I am writing here area of shaded region is equal to area of circle with diameter 21 centimeters. Area of the circle with diameter 21 centimeters minus 2 into area of semicircle with diameter 10.5 centimeters. To find the area of the shaded region from the larger circle, you have to remove the area of the semicircle and also area of the semicircle. What is the diameter of the larger circle? 21 centimeters. Then after diameter of smaller circles, 10.5 and also 10.5 centimeters. Then what is the area of the here? Pi r square minus 2 into pi r square by 2. If diameter is 21, then radius is nothing but 21 by 2. Here, 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 minus 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. Why 10.5 by 2? 10.5 is nothing but diameter of the smaller circle. Then after 7 ones are 7 threes are 2 ones are 2 11s are is equal to 11 into 3 into 21 by 2. 11 into 3 into 21 by 2 minus any calculations. 7 ones are 7 remaining 3 pi 35. 7 5s are 35. It is nothing but 1.5. 2 ones are 2 11s are. Here what is the remaining? 11 into 1.5 into 10.5 by 2. You will get here by multiplying 693 by 2. So multiply 11 into 3 into 21 by 2. It is nothing but 693 by 2 minus. Now multiply 11 into 1.5 into 10.5 by 2. By multiplying that you will get answer 173.25 by 2. Here what is the LCM? 2 is LCM. Here I am doing 693 minus 173.25 by 2. So now area of shaded region is equal to 693 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 1 remaining 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 5s are 10 is equal to 346.5 minus 2 8s are 16, 1 remaining 13, 2 6s are 12, 1 remaining 12, 2 6s are 12, 1 remaining 14, sorry, 2 2s are 2 5s are 86.625. So after the cancellation, what do you get? 86.625. To find the area of the shaded region, you have to subtract 86.625 by from 346.5. Now subtract here. 346.5 minus 86.625. 0 and 0. So after subtracting that, you will get the answer 259.875 centimeters square. So finally, what is the answer of the shaded region? 259 minus 875 centimeters square. 259.875 centimeters square. Is homework today's. Find the area of shaded region from the following figure. To find the area of the shaded region, you have to find the area of the semicircle and also area of the semicircle, area of the semicircle and also area of the semicircle. Then after add up all semicircles, areas of all semicircles.